Hi guys, myself M. Chandrapatap Reddy, studying in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology from the Department of Electronic and Communication Engineering. Today we are discussing about chain growth and step growth polymerization. Introduction to polymerization. Polymerization is the fundamental chemical process that creates polymers, large complex molecules composed of repeating subunits called monomers. Understanding the principles of polymerization is crucial for developing a wide range of materials from plastics and rubbers to synthetic fabrics and adhesives. Chain growth polymerization. Chain growth polymerization is the type of polymerization in which monomers are added one by one to growing polymer chain. This process involves the use of initiator which creates a reactive and center that attracts the new monomers. The chain continues to grow until the reaction is terminated, resulting in polymers which consist molecular weights. Mechanism of chain growth polymerization. The mechanism of chain growth polymerization involves three key steps: initiation, propagation, and termination. An initiator creates a reactive center when they rapidly attracts and monomers, forming a growing polymer chain. The chain continues to expand until the reaction is terminated, resulting in polymers with consistent molecular weights. Initiation. The initiator, such as a free radical or an iron, creates an reactive center that can attract and bond with monomers. Propagation. The reactive center draws in, attaches monomers one by one, steadily growing in polymer chain. Termination. The reaction is stopped either by depletion the monomer supply or by the introduction of a terminating agent, resulting in the final polymer product. Factors affecting chain growth polymerization. Monomer concentration. The concentration of monomers in the reaction mixture directly impacts the rate of polymerization and the final molecular weight of polymerization. Initiator type and concentration. The choose and amount of initiator, whether a free radical or ionic species, can alter the initiation and propagation rates, affecting the polymer structure and properties. Temperature. Increasing the reaction temperature typically speed up the polymerization process, but can also lead to the undesirable side reactions and lower molecular weight. Step growth polymerization. Step growth polymerization, also known as condensation polymerization, is a type of polymerization where monomers react in a stepwise manner to form larger molecules. Unlike chain growth polymerization, step growth involves the reaction to functional groups on different monomers, leading to the gradual build-up of the chain polymer. Mechanism of step growth polymerization. The mechanism of step growth polymerization involves the gradual buildup of the polymer chain growth through the functional two groups on different monomers. This process occurs in stepwise manner, with each step resulting in the formation of new covalent bonds and creation in large molecules. Activation. The function groups on the monomers, such as hydroxyl or carboxyl, are activated may react to typically the use of catalyst or acid or base treatment. Condensation. The activated functional groups on different monomers react with each other, forming a new covalent bond and releasing a small molecule such as water or hydrogen. Propagation. The newly formed dimers or oligomers continue to react with other activated monomers or oligomers, gradually increasing the size of polymer chain. Termination. The reaction is stopped either by depleting the monomer supply or by the introduction of a terminating agent, resulting in the final polymer product. Factors affecting step growth polymerization. The rate and efficiency of step growth polymerization are influenced by several key factors. Monomer reactively plays a crucial role as monomer with more reactive functional groups tend to form polymer more readily. Catalyst selection can also accelerate the condensation reactions while temperature and time impact the degree of polymerization and molecular weight distribution. Comparison of chain growth and step growth polymerization. Initiation. Chain growth polymerization starts with the initiator creating a reactive center while step growth on the reaction of two functional groups on different monomers. Propagation. Chain growth adds monomers one by one to growing polymer chain, while step growth gradually builds up the polymer through the reaction of fundamental functional groups. Molecular weight. Chain growth typically produces a polymer with narrowed molecular weight distribution, while step growth leads to the broader distribution. Reaction rate. Chain growth polymerization is generally faster with the reaction occurring rapidly once initiated. Step growth is slower than the chain growth. Applications of chain growth and step growth polymerization. Plastics and packaging. Chain growth polymerization is used to produce common plastics, the polythene, polypropylene, polystyrene, which are widely used in packaging container and consumer products. Rubber and elastomers. Step growth polymerization is basis for the manufacturing synthetic rubbers such as Neoprene and Nitrile rubber, which are essential for tires and seals and flexible materials, textiles and fibers. Both chain growth and step growth polymerization techniques are used to produce synthetic fibers like polyester, nylon, and acrylic, which are widely used in clothing and textile applications. Adhesives and coatings. Polymers are created toughly coatings that are critical for industrial and consumer products. Conclusion and key takeaways. Polymerization pathway chain growth and step growth polymerization represent two distinct mechanisms for synthesis of polymers materials, each offering unique advantages and applications. Molecular structure control. By understanding the factors the influence each polymerization process, engineers can precisely tailor the molecular weight distribution and the properties of the final polymer. Versatile applications. The wide-ranging applications of polymers produced through chain growth and step growth polymerization from the plastics to textile to coating highlight their importance in modern material science. Continued innovation. As material science and chemical engineering progress, new opportunities will emerge to further optimize and expand the use of their polymerization techniques. Thank you.